So I think we can start. So today I will be talking about different technologies on mobiles. I will compare native apps, hybrids, and progressive web apps. And during this talk, I will be the only one speaker, but I want you will join with me. And let's imagine that today we're one big web development team, and we need to plan our strategy how to deal with different solutions on mobiles, with different, let's say, cases. And at the beginning, I want to check our skill sets, our team. So how many of you have ever developed at least 5 native apps? Any native? Android, iOS?
Android.
Okay. Hybrids, at least 5 hybrid apps and framework. Full and any web apps. You can think it.
One is
At
okay?
least 5. Yes, so I just wanted to check that this is the good meetup, so we are in the good place. So nice to see you here. And now let me introduce myself. So I took this photo here because it is involved in my personal story. This photo was taken during my first international conference in Lisbon. It was Web Summit. And it is involved with my focusing on mobiles. Because at this conference, Google presented his new platform. It was Augmented Reality Core. And this platform allows you to apply augmented reality into your apps. And this application allows you also to take this photo that you can choose this creature that follows your move. Because there was applied also machine learning. And it was taken, this conference was enrolled in 2016, so it was just a beginning of mobile apps. And then I thought this is a huge step for this technology because we just started to use it, and now we can do something like this, like machine learning and apply augmented reality. So then I focused that I know some basic about web, so how to apply my skills to develop things on mobiles. So what I found, I tell you today during this presentation. So I'm from Warsaw, I live in Warsaw, and I'm Android developer at a company called Cosmos. This is a startup. And I'm also a student. I study computer science at Warsaw University of Technology, and I'm almost graduated because I need to complete my master's degree thesis, if you know this issue. So in my thesis, I compare progressive web apps and hybrid apps, and a lot of results from my thesis you can find in this presentation. And I'm also interested in open source projects, and I co-create this project with PWA. So this project is for developers, for people who want just started to use progressive web apps, to learn progressive web apps and to build it, because we have a lot of code labs, a lot of tools that allows you to convert your regular websites into progressive web apps. And I'm also a huge fan on the community, and I'm a member and organizer at Google Developers Group Warsaw and Women Tech Makers Warsaw. We organize meetups and conferences for local community to share our knowledge about Google technologies. So if you will be in Warsaw, join us. And in my personal life, I'm a runner and coffee lover. So if you have any coffee, let me know. And this is this project, PWA. So if you want to start your journey with PWA, just visit this page, download resources, and start to develop progressive web apps. Before I start, I want to explain this fact. So this is Angular Meetup, and I will talk about mobiles. So why? I found at least 3 reasons of this fact. So first of all, my development team, can you help me? What is similar for these pictures?
Mobile phones.
People spoke Jones with mobiles, yes. So this is first reason, so people just use mobiles. And this is average time people spending on mobile daily. This is over 2.5 hours. My second reason is this guy, because a few weeks ago I found absolutely fantastic article about predictions of mobiles and the web. And it was titled "Browsers, Not Apps, Are the Future of Mobile." And what is interesting that this article was published in 2016, and a lot of predictions from this article, if just real, is the same like in the current state of mobiles. So I highly recommend you to read this article. And my last reason is involved with this date. Because the date, something happened, something changed for developers, and people commented this in different ways, that apps are dead, that this is a danger, and it just cannot be true. So what exactly happened this day? Google Play Store started to be open for progressive web apps. So it's a huge step for this technology, and if you want to get more about these facts and you want to get more how to distribute progressive web apps to the Google Play Store, just visit this article. This is published by Maximilian Feldman, and I show you later how to find it, what is the link. And now I will get started, and I just at the beginning describe each technology, and after that I will compare it. So first case, this is native apps. So this is the most popular solution, I think. So you need one specific programming language to develop application on specific platform. This is on iOS and on Android. And this is the best solution if you want to develop fast and reliable application. You have direct interaction to the operating system layer. So if you need to apply any features, native features, you can do it. It's super easy and it will work. And we get just really native look. And this is a lot of pros of using this technology. But my team, let's suppose that we need application that will work for two platforms. So if we need two apps, we need two more technologies. And it's involved with having more skill sets and of course more issues. Yeah. So we need to have bigger development team or just have more time, and this is involved with cost of this application, so we don't like it. But I think we know how to deal with it. We need one code base, so it is involved with unified programming language. So I think that our solution could be JavaScript. So now I tell you how to use your skills and JavaScript to apply it to the hybrid apps, because this is the second case, hybrid apps. So hybrid apps compare web apps and native apps. So you use web technologies to develop applications that will work on different platforms with one code base. So what is typical for this solution is that you have application that is wrapped into a container called WebView, and you don't have direct interaction between operating system layer and between this container. So if you want to use native features, you need additional layer. This is this bridge JavaScript library that allows you to use these native features. And this is good because you can just use it, but this is also bad aspect of using that, because your application will not be as fast as native app if you want to apply these native features. So there's a lot of different frameworks that you can use to develop hybrid apps. There are examples. So if you're an Angular developer, it's super easy to create application using Ionic framework, because Ionic is built on Angular. And there are example apps. So if you want to just check that this performance is a huge difference between regular and native apps, just download this from store. And my last case, this is my favorite. I'm a huge fan of progressive web apps. And progressive web apps, this is still web app. So if you have these basic skills to develop web app, you can easily enhance your application to progressive web apps. This is not new kind of application. This is not new technology. And from my perspective, progressive web app evaluated because people started using web apps on their mobiles, and they had some issues. And from my perspective, there are two main issues. First of all, that just web apps are really slow on your mobiles. This is because rendering JavaScript in a browser. And second reason is that you need access to the network. So if you have native app, you don't need it, and it's also the same for hybrid frameworks. And what is exactly progressive web app? So this is still web app. So we use basic web standard. This is HTML code, CSS, and JavaScript. And you progressively enhance application to get native feel and look. And what is similar for regular web apps, this is just served on a remote server. You open this application in a browser, so it's great access, even from a home screen and even from a remote server, from a URL. And you can use native features in this kind of apps, so it's not typical for regular web apps. And also you can use, for example, push notifications, background synchronizations, a really great feature that allows you to more engage your users. I want you to remember three main features of progressive web apps. So progressive apps are fast, reliable, and engaging. So our fast, it means that we try to get as soon as possible a content on any resources to your user. And we apply to progressive web apps application shell model. So you can cache some files and return to your user at the first screen content as soon as possible. These apps are reliable, so you can use it in offline state and under unstable network conditions. And it's possible thanks to the mechanism called service worker. I'll tell you more on the next slides about service worker. And they're reliable, so it means that we are focused on offline state. We don't respect it like an error, but we need to handle it at the beginning. So we are focused on states that our application not work as a regular web app. What should work is the best for users. With the more functionality you can get to your user. And they're more engaging. So it means that you can use push notifications. And another aspect is that you can more engage your user thanks to the icon, the possibility to run your application via this icon from home screen. We know so what is progressive web apps. So now how to apply it. So there are different minimal requirements for this technology. For me, this is this main three. This service worker serving via HTTPS and using manifest.json file. So service worker is just client proxy, and from developer side it's just a JavaScript file that is registered in a browser when you first time run your application in a browser. And what's important that it can control your app even if you're offline state or under unstable network condition. You can cache some files and return the resources when you doesn't have access to the server. And it is involved with the second requirement, so serving via HTTPS, because if you want to use service worker, you need to secure an application. So you need to serve it via HTTPS. And last requirements is manifest.json file. So this is just a description of your app in JSON format. So you describe name, start URL of your application, icons, and any different features in this file. Then you attach it to the index.html code, and after that, you can run it just like regular web apps. And after that, you can use it from home screen, thanks to the description. If you want to test application, try how it works, how service worker works in the different examples. Just try Twitter. There's really good examples of applying different PWA features. Also Forbes, Pinterest. And you can see at the bottom of the page, it's links. This link to the repository. This is PWA rocks. And here's open repository when you can add your application that you created, PWA. And there are a lot of examples that people created and just added to this repository. So now I have a reader for you, because Twitter has different versions. I have also PWA, but different version on Android and iOS. So here I applied two screens. This is from Android application and PWA, and I have a question for you. Which one is PWA? Do you have any difference?
On the left side.
I don't remember. Yeah. This is on the left, PWA, on the right is native app. But what I want to show you that at the first look you don't see that this is native or this is PWA. So this look is really good for PWA. And here you can launch a Twitter from a home screen. So first is Android and second is PWA. So which one?
Right.
So it's popular, this first icon, so I think it's easier to know. Yeah, it is the same. For native app, we have icon, you can launch it from home screen. For PWA, this is the same. But for PWA, you don't need this installation flow, which is typical for native apps. It's not too complex like for native apps. You just click a link and click an option, add to the home screen, and after that, you can run it in a browser, but in full screen, so you don't need any bar from a browser and any different features of browser on your app. This is example sizes for Twitter. So can you tell me which one is for Android, and iOS, and PWA?
First Android, second iOS.
And this is PWA. Cool. Yeah, PWA. So as you can see, for PWA you don't need this installation, so you don't need a memory on your device. And I asked a question to Twitter users that they use native apps or PWA. So you can see here that over 70% use native apps and 30 PWA. And twice the state, you can see at the bottom of page, when you use this comment, that Andreas commented that he can't use it because of bad PWA support on iOS. And this is a problem. This is a main issue for progressive web apps, that not every feature is supported. It depends on your browser and your platform, and this is especially a problem for iOS. And if you visit PWA Fire, you can find this tool. This tool allows you to test that your browser supports PWA features. And this, I think I play it in Chrome. So there are a lot of features are supported, like service worker, background synchronization, push notifications, cache storage payments, and full screen. You can use Share API. And there are also list of IoT features. So as you can see, you can use a lot of native features in your web app. And you just need to have specific APIs. This, for example, Bluetooth, USB, voice recognition API. And for example, for Chrome, you can use power management, but a lot of features are supported for Chrome.
Okay, is that iOS or Android devices, or both of them?
This is for Chrome on a desktop. I run it from a desktop.
Right, okay. So
Yeah, but you can use this application and test it any you want.
yeah, but you mentioned previously that there are some sort of issues if it's going about iOS browser probably supplied. Right? Okay, so both of these things are here, and all of those things are pretty much supported by both platforms, right?
Yeah. Okay, so today I said that PWA compare native apps and web apps, and hybrid also, native apps and web apps. So what is the difference in these cases? So I found three main aspects. So first of all, PWA is still web app, so we serve on remote server, but now we can also distribute on Google Play Store. Hybrid app is installed like native app, so we need to install on device and distribute by store. For PWA, you have the only one build, and you need the only one build regardless of the platform. Or for hybrid apps, if you have apps for different platforms, you require each build for these platforms. And if we're talking about native feature access, so what I showed you before, this is web APIs. You use it in PWA, but for hybrid apps, you have native plugins. And for each of these solutions, you need to check that it's supported on specific platforms and specific browser in case of PWA. And what is important is also installation flow. So as you can see, for native and hybrid, this is a long, complex flow. And data shows that people don't like installation, that with every step of installation, application loads over 20% of your users. But for PWA, this process is really simple. So you can engage more users.
I have a question for you. Why the block accept permission is missing on PWA? Does this
We talk about regular progressive apps. So it's not the same like permissions for native apps.
But do you, if you want to use like camera on the PWA, there's just this permission pop-up shows
Yeah,
up?
but only I'm talking about installation. So
okay, great.
So now let's compare. And this comparison I divided based on three aspects: developer perspective, user perspective, and native feature support access. And first of all, let's suppose that we need application that will work on different platforms. So if we want to develop native apps, so we need two apps. It means that the time and development cost is the worst thing of our solution because it's not just cross-platform. If we focus on building process, for PWA this is still web application, so you need to build it once. For hybrid apps and native apps, you need builds for each platforms. And if we're talking about updating, it means that for private apps you have only one code base, so you need to change it in this one code, then build it and deploy it on the remote server. For hybrid apps, you need to change it once because you have also one code base, but build it for specific platforms. So, for example, you build it twice and install it twice. And for native apps, you need to change it in every code because you have two base codes, for example. You have to rebuild it twice, and after that, you need to install it twice. If we're talking about user perspective, so every solution is great if you want to have an application that works offline, if you want to get full screen up. And PWA has a good advantage if we're talking about SEO, because your app can be searchable by search engines, and you don't need installations, so I was talking before. But native apps will be always the best solution because of native look and because of performance. If we're talking about native feature support, so of course native apps are the best because of direct access to the operating system. Hybrid and PWA, it depends on your platform, on your browser. So for PWA, there are a lot of features that you can use in your web app, depends on your browser. But I try to find features that you can't apply inside PWA. And if you want to apply contacts, use calendar, text messages, geofencing, swipe navigation, you can use PWA. If you want to apply sensors and use hybrid apps, it depends on the platform and the kind of sensor. But for system data and alarms, the only one best solution is just native apps. So if you sum up, native apps are the best if you are focused on fast apps that are reliable, if you want to apply enhanced graphics and APIs, and if you of course have sufficient budget and time to develop this kind of application. For hybrid apps, this is a great solution if the time and development cost is crucial for you, if you need cross-platform application with one code base, if you want to prototype something because it's really easy to develop it in a fast time, let's say. And PWA, so if you need less complex apps, if your application don't need installation flow, if you want to easily manage your application that will be, for example, changed in the future. So this is the summary, and this is a general comparison, but it depends on your requirements, on your budget, on your time, but it's really important to focus on your skill sets, how to use it to apply in specific solutions. So I want to sum up my presentation with this title of this article, that the browsers, not apps, are the future of mobile. So if browsers are the future, then the web is the future, web developers are the future, so you are the future. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much. So if you want to get this presentation, this link, so feel free, and I will send you also for meetup.